Today I will talk reproduction in plants containing next article, that is double fertilization. Double fertilization means fusion of haploid male gamete into haploid female gamete to produce diploid zygote, and another male gamete fused with secondary nucleus to produce TPEN, that is triploid primary endosperm nucleus, are commonly called as double fertilization. Here firstly I will discuss only fertilization phenomenon. Fertilization means fusion of haploid male gamete into haploid female gamete to produce diploid zygote. This phenomenon are commonly called as fertilization. Here, double fertilization phenomenon means both gametes are utilized, one male gamete fused with female gamete to produce diploid zygote, and other male gamete fused with secondary nucleus to produce triploid primary endosperm nucleus, that is called as double fertilization. It is a characteristic feature of angiospermic plant. All type of angiospermic plant, the double fertilization process can take place. This double fertilization process includes following steps. First one is progamy. Second one is sphenogamy. Third one is syngamy, or it is also called as first fertilization. And last one is triple fusion, or it is also known as second fertilization. Process of double fertilization consists of these four steps. First one is progamy, second one is sphenogamy, third one is syngamy, and last one is triple fusion. In progamy, entry of pollen tube through the micropyle, that is called as progamy. Pollen tube, it is a part of male reproductive system. These pollen tube get entered inside the ovule via micropyle. This phenomenon are commonly called as progamy. After entering of these pollen tube inside the ovule via micropyle, then pollen tube will absorb the synergid containing material. Any one of the synergid containing material will absorb, and then tip portion of pollen tube should be inserted inside the embryo sac. Then tip portion become ruptured and both gametes should be liberated inside the embryo sac. Then one male gamete fuse with female gamete to produce diploid zygote. Movement of non-motile male gametes up to female gametes through the siphon or through the pollen tube, this phenomenon are commonly called as sphenogamy. After releasing of both gametes, one male gamete unite with female gamete to produce diploid zygote, that is called as syngamy, or it is also known as first fertilization. And another male gamete fused with secondary nucleus to produce triploid primary endosperm nucleus, that is called as triple fusion, or it is also known as second fertilization. That is the process of double fertilization in angiospermic plant. This process get discussed in diagrammatic ways. That is the typical structure of embryo sac. Embryo sac means sac-like or bag-like structure should be situated at the center of ovule, that is called as embryo sac. This embryo sac, it is a 7 cell or 8 nucleated in structure. In this embryo sac, it consists of 3 parts, that is egg apparatus, secondary nucleus, and antipodal cells. A typical structure of ovule containing tip portion, a sutures like or a gap should be situated at the tip portion of these integuments from the ovule, that is called as micropyle. In this micropyle, get entered inside the pollen tube. Pollen tube, it is a part of male reproductive system. This pollen tube get entered inside the ovule through the micropyle. This process are commonly called as progamy. Entry of pollen tube through the micropyle in this micropyle, that is a gap which are situated at the tip portion of these integuments, a sutures like opening or a gap are found are present, that is called as micropyle. Entry of pollen tube through the micropyle, this phenomenon are commonly called as progamy. After entering a pollen tube inside this ovule via micropyle, this pollen tube will absorb the synergid containing material and it will rupture the synergid cells and entered inside the embryo sac. Then tip portion of this pollen tube become ruptured. Tip portion of pollen tube become ruptured and 2 non-motile male gametes will releases. That is the male gamete. These male gamete will releases up to the female gamete via pollen tube or siphon. This phenomenon is known as sphenogamy. That is movement of non-motile male gametes up to female gametes. This phenomenon are commonly called as sphenogamy. It is a second step of process of double fertilization. That is the male gametes. These male gametes will releases up to the female gametes through siphon or pollen tube. It is commonly called as sphenogamy. About these 2 male gametes, 1 male gamete fuse with egg. These male gamete fuse with egg. That is egg, or it is also called as female gamete. 1 male gamete fuse with egg to produce diploid zygote, that is called as syngamy, or it is also called as first fertilization, diploid zygote. haploid male gamete unite with haploid female gamete to produce diploid zygote. This phenomenon are commonly called as third step of process of double fertilization, that is called as syngamy, or it is also called as post fertilization. Then another male gamete fuse with secondary nucleus, that is secondary nucleus. Secondary nucleus, it is diploid, it is a part of embryo sac. This is secondary nucleus and another male gamete will fuse to produce TPEN. TPEN, that is triploid primary endosperm nucleus, that is called as triple fusion, or it is also called as second fertilization. Embryo sac containing secondary nucleus, it is diploid polar bodies which are situated at the center of embryo sac, and another male gamete it is a haploid, and secondary nucleus it is a diploid. This N+2N condition get combines and to form triploid primary endosperm nucleus, that is N plus 2N is equal to 3N condition, means triploid primary endosperm nucleus will form. This phenomenon are commonly called as triple fusion. That is the process of double fertilization in angiosperm. During this process, via micropyle pollen tube get entered inside the ovule, that is called as progamy. After entering, it will absorb synergid cell containing material, then tip portion become ruptured and pollen tube containing two non-motile male gametes will releases up to the female gametes, that is called as sphenogamy. At that time, the pollen tube containing tube cell nucleus become degenerate or disorganized. That's why only two male gametes will releases up to the female gametes. Then one male gamete fuse with egg, that is called as female gamete, to produce diploid zygote. This phenomenon are commonly called as syngamy, or it is also called as post fertilization. Then second male gamete fuse with secondary nucleus to produce triploid primary endosperm nucleus, that is called as triple fusion, or it is also called as second fertilization. That is the process of double fertilization in angiosperm. It is a main characteristic feature of angiospermic plant. All kinds of angiospermic plant, double fertilization process can take place. That is the process of double fertilization. Then I will discuss the post fertilization changes in angiospermic plants.